So Facebook Live swaps are when Felicia obviously is on Facebook and she has a following. Let's say she has 2,000 followers on Facebook, and I'm on Facebook and I have 3,000 followers, and let's say I'm a business coach, and let's say Felicia is a virtual assistant, right? And so Felicia says, listen, let me have you on my Facebook page and interview you, right? Because a lot of people in the virtual assistant world follow me, a lot of entrepreneurs follow me, and I have connections with. And so she'll have me on her Facebook, on a Facebook Live, and I will get to make a free offer usually, right? So I'll make a free offer. I'll make an offer to have sessions with me, or I'll make an offer to just to one of my freebies. And then vice versa. Then I'll have Felicia on my page, right, on my Facebook page, and interview her. So it's a modernized, innovative version of a joint venture swap, right? But you're doing it through social channels. And a lot of my clients, and some of my clients that are on here now, if you want to, I'd love for you to share like how Facebook Live swaps is. During COVID, like it was one of my primary focuses, but any of my clients that are on here, share like a big win from a Facebook Live swap, because it's one of the fastest places to get started on getting on stages. First of all, it's not the fear and the the overwhelm of like, I've got to go and I've got to book a bunch of stages. You're like, great. Listen, within the Inspire community, we're going to immediately in the first couple of months start doing Facebook Live swaps. Yeah, Millen said that's how I got started with Facebook's Lives, and it grew my list a lot, right? So Michelle says, I've driven tons of leads through Instagram Live swaps, right? She doesn't have that's fine. It doesn't matter. It can be Instagram. I'm using Facebook as an example. And so swapped with this. Oh, here's Danella. Swapped with a speaker coach and spoke to their community and got 12 clients from a 45-minute interview swap. So that's what we're talking about when we talk about like a Facebook Live swap. And it's one of the fastest ways to get on stages for yourself, and one of the fastest ways for you to be able to offer somebody else something, right? So Anita Green can go to Darcy, and maybe Darcy doesn't have a database yet. She's still growing, but she can say, Anita, but I do have 2,000 friends on Facebook. And you know what Anita Green's going to say? Because she went through my training. Anita's going to say, bring me on, baby. Bring me on, baby. I'm ready to speak.